Let's get started with what we call our iKonic terrain. At a length of 20 feet 10 inches with a 98-inch beam, the two-piece flexible architecture used in our stringer and deck design were optimized to yield more fishing real estate than any of our competitors. Even with two factory-mounted graphs, you'll notice there's plenty of room when you enter the boat with our massive walk-around front step pad. The entire front deck and deck lids are finished with premium padded carpet for those long days on the water. The LX20 has a fully finished interior liner. Every compartment is equipped with bright LED lights, and the aluminum lids are secured with waterproof stainless steel compression latches. The port side rod locker will hold rods up to 8 feet 6 inches. It's padded on the bottom, sides, and steps and can be loaded with as many as 40 rods. At over 19 cubic feet, the center storage compartment is absolutely massive. It's finished off with two super bright upper work lights for rigging in low light conditions. The starboard storage box can hold rods up to 7 feet 6 inches long and has padding on the bottom. The day box has a drop-in tub that when removed gives you convenient access to your fire extinguisher and some of your outboard's electrical components. The front of the console has an easy access hood with overbuilt scissor hinges for durability. Inside is a drop-in storage tub that allows for easy access to some of your hydraulic steering and electrical components when repairs or maintenance is needed. There's no need to add expensive aftermarket wiring when rigging your boat. Our custom in-house wiring harness is more than capable of powering multiple graphs with dedicated wiring buses at the bow and here in the console. Continuing with the theme of convenience, onto the back deck. Both the port and starboard storage compartments are also outfitted with removable drop-in tubs, again giving you easy access to important wiring components that may sometimes need maintenance. The bilge area is capped off with dual wing-style lids that can easily be removed when needed. Here you'll have access to your onboard charging system, batteries, hydraulic pumps for shallow water anchors, bilge and livewell pumps, and iKon's custom breaker panel. On the port side of the bilge area, we have dedicated wiring for shallow water anchors, so there's no need to stack more connections on your battery terminals. Also located in the bilge area is the fish IV tank, which is an important element of our L2 livewell system. This 64-ounce container saves time and adds convenience while on the water by eliminating the need to worry about dealing with potentially messy livewell treatments by manually or automatically injecting your favorite pre-mixed formula directly into the livewell. Fish conservation is the main subject of our patented L2 livewell system, which concentrates on protecting fish, both during and after the tournament. Our first-in-class, easy-to-operate, fully automated livewell system is patented for auto everything. This includes auto fill, maintain fill, recirculate, oxygenation, inject livewell treatment, and even automatic temperature control with our port-mounted chiller plate. The livewells are fully insulated and finished off with an easy-to-remove center divider. From iKon's 5-inch custom control screen, you can easily operate and customize the settings for your L2 livewell system. Fusion Bluetooth stereo system, navigation lights, deck and compartment lights, power ventilation system, and all your necessary outboard information, making no need for analog gauges. We're not hiding anything on this clean, one-piece molded fiberglass console. The one-touch power button controls both your house and trolling motor batteries. On the left side of the console, we have a quick access button pad that conveniently operates your livewell, bilge pump, and lights. The button pad also acts as a backup should you ever have problems with the custom control screen. Rounding out the console, just below, we have a wireless phone charger that will charge right through your phone case. Inspired by the automotive industry, our e-seat seating system features a one-piece fiberglass shell, an embedded 6-spring suspension system, and a slide and lock system to adjust forward or back. The intuitive design removes visual interferences while driving and has an easy in and out configuration that's finished off with high quality cool breeze upholstery. Rounding out the interior of the LX20, you'll notice the sloped seat mounting area and padded cockpit floor that allows for quick drainage and no puddling. Both the forward cooler and storage compartment between the cockpit seats are constructed with 1.5 inches of insulation and insulated lids. The forward cooler will hold a full case of water, keep ice all day, and even has a net on the underside of the lid to keep food and snacks dry. iKon's hydrodynamic stabilizer system hull combines naval architect design strategies used in the saltwater industry with the performance requirements for freshwater applications to deliver a ride that is unlike any other. Concentrating on stability, comfort, and control, the HSS hull system is quick to plane, eliminates chine walking and cavitation, and delivers a ride in calm or choppy water conditions that you truly must experience to appreciate. When you're on the road, your LX20 will be rolling on a custom boatmate trailer that's equipped with 3 bow steps and handle to easily enter the boat, rock guard paint, oversized side steps, automatic runway lights that light up when the trailer is submerged, a swing-away tongue, 4-wheel surge brakes, and options for 14 or 18-inch low-profile custom wheels.